Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motorcycle tents on Amazon. Motorcycle tents are small storage shelters that allow you to protect your bike quicker than old-fashioned covers. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. ShelterLogic Shed in a Box Motorcycle Tent. The ShelterLogic Shed in a Box motorcycle tent measures 10 into 10 to 8 feet. It has waterproofed gray fabric and a thick metal powder-coated frame that holds it all together. One of the tent's best features is its ratcheted tensioning system that ensures the cover fits snugly and tightly around the entire frame. It's large enough to store up to 2 motorcycles side by side. However, it could fit a few smaller pocket bikes if needed. There is plenty of space to move around as well. Plus, it is designed to be used all year and brushes off snow and rain and is even UV protected to withstand the sun's harshest rays. Putting the tent together may be one of the most annoying things about it. While it isn't all that large when compared to other models, it can be awkward to set up by yourself. The instructions can be difficult to follow. Also, the tent is rather expensive. Number 2. Quick-Tent Heavy-Duty Motorcycle Shelter Tent. This motorcycle shelter is an easy-to-use collapsible tent with a carrying bag that's perfect for road trips, whether you ride a bobber or a moped. It is designed with a 600D Oxford fabric PU coating that is 100% waterproof. The tent comes with a 1-year warranty and is easy to assemble, no extra tools are required. The tent is available in 3 different sizes and features ventilation windows. It is weatherproof and UV resistant and is easy to roll up and down. It also has a carrying bag and a SAW code lock to protect your bike. The XL tent fits a motorcycle and 2 adult-sized bicycles. One of the issues with this tent is that in heavy rain areas, the mesh windows can be an issue. Also, some users have had problems with its setup, and the tent does not have a floor. Number 3. Amaya Waterproof 2-Room Motorcycle Tents. This motorcycle tent is a spacious interior. With a capacity for 4 people, this tent provides ample room for sleeping, storage, and relaxation. The tent is designed with 2 separate rooms, offering privacy and organization. The detachable bedroom and vestibule allow for customization, making it convenient for various activities such as picnics, backpacking, survival hiking, and family outings. Amaya understands the importance of durability and protection in outdoor settings. This tent is constructed with high-quality materials that ensure longevity and withstand harsh weather conditions. The waterproof and tear-resistant fabric provides reliable protection against rain, wind, and UV rays. With the added footprint, the tent's bottom remains secure, safeguarding against sharp objects and preventing wear and tear. The lightweight construction of the tent ensures easy portability, making it an ideal choice for motorcycle trips or backpacking adventures. Additionally, the tent comes with a convenient carrying bag, allowing for effortless transportation and storage. Number 4. Wolf Walker Motorcycle Tent for Camping. This tent is tailor-made for motorcycle camping. Its innovative design features an integrated motorcycle port that provides a secure and weatherproof space to park your motorcycle right next to your sleeping area. This thoughtful addition ensures that your motorcycle is protected from the elements and easily accessible, allowing for hassle-free transportation and quick getaways. Motorcycle campers value efficiency and convenience, and the Wolf Walker motorcycle tent delivers precisely that. With its fast-pitch design, setting up camp has never been easier. The tent comes with pre-attached poles and color-coded buckles, enabling campers to effortlessly pitch their tent within minutes. This time-saving feature allows you to spend more time enjoying the great outdoors and less time struggling with tent setup. This tent is built to withstand the challenges of the outdoors. Crafted from high-quality materials, this tent ensures durability and long-lasting performance. Number 5. The Bike Shield Motorcycle Shelter Tent. This premium, self-enclosing motorcycle tent is a great choice for home use due to its strong tie-downs and heavy-duty construction. It comes with 16 square pipes, a cross plate, and a locking system, all of which are made of galvanized steel. The tent is 100% waterproof and comes with a 1-year warranty. The bike shield is available in 3 sizes and uses a polyethylene coating to repel water and UV rays. It features ventilation windows to prevent moisture buildup. It stays nice and dry, even in the heat, humidity, and rain. Overall, the construction is very good, so it should last for several seasons. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.